Quopi will allow you to join with as little as $10. Hi everyone, it's Gerald Cannon and welcome back to The Journey. As a reminder, I am not a financial planner, nor is this financial advice, and I'm not your financial advisor. To stay up on everything that's happening here at The Journey, be sure and hit that subscription button if you have not already done so, and give this video a thumbs up, and hit that bell to be notified of all future uploads. I will always leave links to the programs that I am participating in under the video in the Show More area. If you'd like to proceed forward with any of those programs, make sure you take your time and do your due diligence prior to investing. Be sure and watch the video to the end, as I will link other interesting videos. Thank you all for taking time out of your busy schedule to come see us today over here at The Journey. Quopi's workday has finished on the New York Stock Exchange.
All right, everyone, the stock market part of Quopi is closed, and Quopi did a 1.64% for today. Let's take a look at a broader picture, everyone. 5 trading days, everyone. 3 November, 1.47. A 1.93 on 6 November. 1.36 on 7 November. And 8 November, a 1.93. And today, a 1.64 gives Quopi a 5-day average of a 1.66. On 10 days, everyone, Quopi picked up a 2.25 on 27 October. On 30 October, Quopi did a 1.52. 31 October, Quopi did a 1.68. 1 November, a 2.13, and 2 November with a 1.74. This is Quopi, the stock trader, and Quopi has a 10-day average of a 1.76, everyone. Outstanding results. Let's go back to Quopi, everyone. We'll take a quick look to the right. We have Bitcoin balance of a little over $83, and we have USDT balance a little bit over $97. Doge is a little over $5. Litecoin's almost $1. Tron is $12.26. Binance is almost $7. XRP is $24.80. Profits are continuing to trickle in, everyone. We have 71 notices. Let's go through our notices, everyone. We have 8 pages, so let's go ahead and take care of those. Page 1, page 2, and page 3 are profits received. Page 4, page 5 are profits received. We have 3 more pages. Page 6 and 7 and 8 are profits received. Let's go ahead and mark all those as red, and our 71 notices now disappear, everyone. Let's jump back over to the home screen and let's see how our balances are doing, everyone. Our all-time total return has been $31,160.25. Our return on investment is 110.11%. We currently have staked $10,069.15, and our all-time total of staking is $28,299.41. We have 111 stakes. There is no limit on how many stakes you can participate on. Within the stock trader part of crypto, there's a 5-day-a-week trading. All right, everyone, you can join with Bitcoin, USDT, Doge, Litecoin, Tron, Binance, XRP, and also USDT on the BEP20 network, everyone. We'll take a look at our profits right quick. We're going to go through Bitcoin first. I'm going to come over to my Exodus wallet, and I'm going to paste this number in here so we can see how we're doing with Bitcoin profit. We have made $20,678.34 in Bitcoin profit. We will now look and see we've made $8,104.53 in USDT, and then we have some other smaller amounts below that, everyone. Let's go ahead and look at some of our stakes, everyone. The way you read this, everyone, is this first column is pretty self-explanatory. It tells you what you staked. All stakes are 30 days. This next column tells you how much of a percent you have made on that stake since it's been staked. And this next column, since all stakes are 30 days, it counts down to 30. When it's 30 of 30, that stake has expired. There's the next column here. It's a countdown in hours, minutes, and seconds. This first one reads 2:10:39, and that lets you know in 2 hours, 10 minutes, and 30 some seconds it will be paid. That's how all that works, everyone. Let's run through the stakes 1 through 30, everyone, to see how Quopi has been performing on the stock exchange. On 1 day of staking, Quopi has achieved a 1.83. On 2 days of staking, Quopi has achieved a 7.0. Excuse me, everyone. That 2 day, disregard that one. That one deals with my crypto part. All right, on 3 days of staking with the stocks, everyone, Quopi has did a 4.96. On 4 days of staking, Quopi has achieved a 6.36, and on 5 days of staking, Quopi has achieved a 7.91 to as much as an 8.01. On 6 days of staking, Quopi has achieved a 10.03, and on 8 staking days, Quopi has achieved a 13.07. On 9 trading days, Quopi has achieved a 15.21. Those are some outstanding results, everyone. Let's go to 10 days of staking, where Quopi has achieved a 16.89, and on 11 trading days, Quopi has achieved an 18.31. On 13 trading days, Quopi has achieved a 21.55%, and on 14 trading days, Quopi has achieved a 23.06%. On 15 trading days, Quopi has achieved a 25.77, and on 16 trading days, Quopi has achieved a 27.04. On 17 trading days, Quopi has achieved a 28.46, and on 18 trading days, Quopi has achieved a 30.44, and on 19 trading days, Quopi has achieved a 31.71, and on 20 trading days, Quopi has achieved a 33.22%. On 21 trading days, Quopi has achieved a 34.66, and on 23 trading days, Quopi has achieved a 37.97. Those are outstanding results for Quopi, everyone. This is again the stock trader. On 24 trading days, Quopi has achieved a 40.32, and on 25 trading days, Quopi has achieved a 42.65, and on 26 trading days, Quopi has achieved a 44.11. And on 28 trading days, Quopi has achieved a 46.98%. And we will go to the next page where stakes will start to expire, everyone. On 29 trading days, Quopi has achieved a 48.17, and all of these 29s, there's about 4 or 5 of them here, they will expire tomorrow, everyone, and then those stakes will be put into my balance. The last stake is a 29-day stake that has received up to this point 49.08%. So again, Quopi is kicking butt and taking names, everyone. Let's slide over here and look at our notices right quick. One more page of profits received, about 5 or 6 items there. We'll mark those as red so they will disappear. And tomorrow, I will do a withdrawal. I am also making sure I take out the profits that the bot is making. So right now, I'm probably going to step my withdrawal up to about 125 a day. I know yesterday I did a larger withdrawal this morning. So as long as Quopi is pumping that money out, I'm pumping it out too, everyone. All right, everybody. Happy Quopi investing. Make sure you take your time, do your due diligence, because this space is risky right now, I would say. I do have a playlist. Jump in that playlist. I have a separate playlist for a Quopi trader, which is open 7 days a week. And I have a separate playlist for my withdrawals, and also a separate playlist for the stock trader. All right, everyone. Do have a Telegram. Jump in there also. All right, everybody. You all have a good day. I'll talk to you all on the next Quopi update. Until then, you all take it easy.